Wow, everyone, now I have chili salt. So I'm going to find fruits in my farm for eating with this chili salt, everyone. So go to find with me. Wow, a lot of Java palm fruit, everyone. So we take it to eat with chili sauce, everyone. So good, everyone. Mm. We take it like this, everyone, to eat with chili sauce. Take it. Wow, it's so good, everyone. Yeah, look at this. Oh, it's so red, everyone. Wow, it's so good. A lot of. So I think it's enough. So we take it to eat with chili sauce. Let's go with me. Hello everyone. So now after we've tried our best, after I try our best to get the Java fruit, and then I get it like this, everyone. So I prepare it to be a cute for eating to show you guys. So let's prepare with me. It looks like so yummy, everyone. It's very green. Wow. Wow, it's so big. Oh. Everyone, it looks like so yummy. Everyone eat with me. We can eat just only Java fruit, but to be more delicious and to be more yummy, so we eat it with chili sauce, everyone. So choose to eat it with chili sauce. So I take this one, everyone. Wow. Wow. It tastes so good, everyone. It is like bitter and sweet. It's sour also. And this is really yummy. It's really hot everyone with chili sauce because of it's full of chili. You can look at the sky everyone, it nearly to be rain. And also look at my chili sauce. It's very hot because of it full of chili everyone. Most of it are chili. And it is very red. So now I'm very hot. But it's yummy. It with me. This is the life of countryside everyone. It's full of fruit like this. It especially have a lot of good fruit like this. Everyone, I want to ask you that would you like to live in town or countryside? For me, I don't want to live in town because of it's a lot of people and it is so boring. But when we live in countryside like this, it's the real rural of life everyone because of it's so fresh air, have a lot of landscape like this, and also have a lot of food, have a lot of fruit like this to eat and to live. Wow. I eat a lot of fruit because of it is so yummy. Really hot everyone. Everyone, now it is enough of my eating. I cannot eat anymore. So it is the time to say goodbye everyone. Now let me say goodbye everyone, and don't forget and please have to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more other video about other fruit, and I promise that I will find a good recipe, a good fruit, and the lifestyle of countryside like this, and especially the rural of life and the rural of living for me and my personality too. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye and thank you for watching this video and other video too. Thank you. Goodbye everyone.